Google Pixel 11 smartphone full phone specifications and pricing revealed ahead of the official announcement. Google is preparing to launch the Pixel 11 smartphones. Shortly before the launch, full specifications for all four models in the lineup, along with their retail prices, were released online. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. The base version of the Google Pixel 11 features a 6.3-inch Actua OLED display with a resolution of 2424 by 1080 pixels, an adaptive refresh rate of 60 to 120 Hz, and a peak brightness of 3000. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It supports 5G networks and the fingerprint scanner is integrated into the display. Performance is handled by Google's proprietary Tensor G6 processor, paired with the updated Titan M3 security chip. Buyers can choose between 12GB or 16GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of storage. Storage expansion is not available via a memory card. Power is provided by a 4985 mAh battery that supports fast wired charging up to 30 watts and Qi2 wireless charging technology. The upcoming Google Pixel 11 features a dual rear camera system combining a 48-megapixel sensor f1.7 aperture with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera f2.2 aperture. It also features a 10.5-megapixel front-facing camera. The new Google Pixel 11 measures 152.8 by 72 by 8.6 millimeters and weighs 197 grams. The smartphone will start at $899 in the US and €999 in Europe. Google will officially announce the Pixel 11 series at the Made by Google event on August 12, 2026. Pre-orders are expected to begin the same day, with retail availability slated for August 20, 2026. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. For our future videos, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well.